You didn't find 111 by accident. It found you at the exact second your thoughts began shaping reality faster than your words could explain it. 111 is not coincidence, it's confirmation. A code that appears when your inner world and outer world finally start matching frequencies. If lately your ideas have been arriving in clusters like sparks you can't catch fast enough, 111 is your reminder. You're in the creation corridor. What you focus on multiplies. What you doubt dissolves. And if you want to know what your exact life path says about your creative energy, the link to your book is waiting in the description. Keep watching first. 111 is the activation number, the call to conscious creation. It often shows up when you're between vision and manifestation, when the mind is designing what reality hasn't printed yet. You'll notice it when a project suddenly feels alive, when you meet someone whose timing feels scripted, or when you say, "I was just thinking about this," and the universe echoes back, "We heard you." In essence, 111 means thoughts are becoming things. It's your chance to edit the thought before it turns into matter. So pause and ask, do I want more of what I'm thinking right now? That's the real secret behind manifestation, awareness before momentum. If this resonates, hit subscribe and tap the bell so you catch the next deep dive, then come right back. We're going deeper. 1 for singles. 111 shows up when your self-worth starts matching your standards. It's not about chasing, it's about broadcasting. You attract what your nervous system believes you deserve. So 111 is the universe whispering, stay in frequency, they'll find you there. Signs you're aligned. You've stopped rewriting texts before sending them. You'd rather be alone than almost loved. Peace feels more magnetic than attention. That's energetic maturity, the real start of divine partnership. When you finish this, the Life Path book in the description reveals how your exact code attracts love that lasts. For those in relationships, 111 asks both partners, are we evolving or repeating? It's the check-in energy. A gentle reminder that routine without awareness becomes rust. Try this. Celebrate tiny synchronicities together. Reset your shared vision for the next 3 months. Speak gratitude out loud. 111 multiplies what's voiced. Love grows through mirrored intention, not management. 111 says, update the code before the system lags. 3. For complicated situations. 111 doesn't fix confusion, it clarifies it. If you keep seeing it while overthinking someone, it's the signal to choose clarity over craving. Sometimes alignment means letting energy return to its rightful owner. The moment you stop chasing closure, you make space for alignment to complete itself. 111 in health speaks of synchronicity between body, mind, and emotion. It appears when your body starts responding to new beliefs faster than old habits can keep up. 3 alignment habits. 1. Breath before scroll. The nervous system sets your tone for the day. 2. Morning movement before input. Move before consuming. 3. Hydration equals reception. Your intuition rides on electrolytes more than you think. Think of your body as a signal tower. The cleaner the channel, the clearer the guidance. If this grounded approach helps, tap like so the algorithm sends you more alignment tools like this one. 111 in finances is momentum meeting focus. It doesn't say money is coming, it says money mirrors mindset. When you keep seeing it, the universe is auditing your attention. Wherever your focus drifts, your energy pays rent. For those in rebuilding phase, track gratitude and income with the same consistency. Replace lack language, I can't afford, with I'm not prioritizing this yet. That single word swap shifts vibration and options. For those already stable, systematize success, don't chase, compound. Automate what works, delegate what distracts, invest where your future self would thank you. 111 is financial alignment. It reminds you that purpose and profit are not rivals. Your Life Path book in the description reveals how your number codes your abundance blueprint. Open it after this video. 111 isn't luck, it's feedback. It's reality clapping back saying, yes, that thought, keep it, or no, that fear, drop it. Practical integration. Write one line daily beginning with, I'm aligning with, and finish it with something tangible. Before sleep, replay one decision that felt right, and note how alignment felt in your body. Keep a proof list of small wins. Your subconscious collects evidence faster than your logic. When you treat life as a feedback loop, 111 becomes less of a sign and more of a rhythm. 111 is the spark before the flame, the yes before the world says yes back. It's not telling you to wait for alignment. It's telling you that you are alignment when you act with intention. So write the message, launch the project, text the apology, say the yes. Your timeline is already listening. If this message grounded or inspired you, subscribe, tap the bell, and check the description to unlock your life path book, your personal code to align love, health, and abundance with who you're becoming. Keep your focus clean. Your frequency is your fortune.